Okay, so for percussion, there's a lot of ways to do percussion. Like I said, the kick takes the emphasis on most of the track, but it's fun to have a nice percussion rhythm layered under it that's sidechained to the kick that kind of like ducks out each time the kick has the transient come in. So there's like be a couple layers to this percussion we're going to try here. First, let's go ahead and try some claps. Claps are pretty easy. Just layer on a simple small layer below on each single kick just to give the kick more attack. Now, like I was talking about with the kick drum, samples are paramount. Choosing the right sample. And we're going to go with the KSHMR sample packs here, volume 1, 2, and 3. Really good. I advise you grab on to those. They work pretty much any track. Let's go ahead and go to drop claps. That one's better because this one has a little bit of a ride going on in it. You can hear the hat. This one is like more pure clap right here. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and duplicate it out. And then I'm going to lower the volume from right here, not from right here, because when you're doing proper gain staging, you want to leave all of your channel faders at 0. At least in Ableton, this is how you do it. In other DAWs, I'm sure there's other ways, but you adjust your volume from here on your utility versus here. It's just an easier way to manage it. Okay, so we're gonna. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and add a small amount of reverb onto it. Should we? Maybe it's. Yeah, sometimes it drowns out the transient, but let's go ahead and see how it sounds with it. Oh, you know what? I still got that going. I had to turn that off. Okay, let's leave it there for now. That should be good. Yeah, because sometimes you have to hear how it sounds in relation to everything else, and then I adjust afterwards. So that's a good starting point for the clap.